There's been a massive shake in the EV world, a silent storm building behind Tesla's factory walls. And now, the leaks are out. Never-before-seen footage from inside Tesla's upcoming 2026 Model 2 factory reveals something bigger than just a new car. It's a revolution in motion. A manufacturing transformation so bold that even veteran engineers are calling it the death of traditional car making. But here's what the world wasn't supposed to see. Because what's about to unfold could send a shockwave through every automaker on the planet. And guess what? Elon Musk just confirmed 9 radical changes, 9 innovations that could make Tesla's next factory not just faster, but smarter, leaner, and unstoppable. Now imagine this, a fully electric car, priced under $15,000, built in less than 10 hours, powered by a battery that forms the car's own structural spine, and controlled by a brain that learns from every driver on Earth. Sounds impossible? It's already happening. And what that battery can do might just change the definition of energy forever. Today, we're diving deep into everything that's leaked, from the unboxed factory system to the 50,000-ton gigapress, to AI-driven robots and a battery so advanced, it doesn't just store power, it thinks. So buckle up, because this isn't just a Tesla story. It's the story of how Elon Musk plans to rewrite the laws of manufacturing, and how one small, affordable EV could shake the very foundations of the global auto industry. Welcome to Road Zone Reviews. And this is the 2026 Tesla Model 2 factory leak you were never supposed to see. The factory that builds itself. How can the Model 2 redefine how cars are built? It all begins with one quote from Elon Musk that once sounded insane. The factory itself should be the product. Now, that impossible vision has taken form, because the leaked blueprints from Tesla's upcoming Giga Mexico show something no automaker has ever done before. This isn't a factory that builds cars. It's a system that creates them. Instead of a traditional assembly line, where thousands of components are welded and bolted together step by step, Tesla's Model 2 will be built using a groundbreaking method called unboxed manufacturing. Here's how it works. The car is divided into 4 to 6 modular zones, each one built simultaneously in separate robotic cells. The front structure, rear structure, cabin, and battery floor are all constructed in parallel, and then clicked together like a massive Lego masterpiece. The result? A process so efficient, so elegant, that even Tesla engineers call it parallel creation. It's not assembly anymore. It's orchestration. A synchronized ballet of automation where every section evolves independently, then locks together in perfect harmony. Elon calls it factory speed compounding, a concept where the speed of each part accelerates the entire system. The faster each cell completes its work, the faster the overall car is born. And once operational, Giga Mexico could produce up to 4 million cars a year, numbers that once sounded like science fiction. But here's the real twist. This factory isn't run by humans alone. It's alive with robots, the rise of the robotic workforce. According to internal leaks, Tesla's next-gen factory will feature Optimus zones, sections fully operated by Tesla's humanoid Optimus robots. These machines can move autonomously between work areas, carrying parts, welding frames, and assembling key components 24/7, no breaks, no fatigue, just precision and speed. Tesla's internal projections claim this setup could cut average vehicle production time from 30 hours down to under 10 hours per unit. Let that sink in. A car built faster than it takes to binge-watch a full Netflix season. This isn't just a new method, it's a new species of manufacturing. A fusion of robotics and AI that makes the factory itself intelligent. And it's this kind of exponential automation that gives Tesla an edge competitors. can't replicate, because they're stuck trying to copy design, while Musk is reinventing the process itself. The Gigacast Revolution. Now let's talk about strength, because Tesla's brilliance isn't just speed, it's smarter structure. When most car makers cut costs, they cut quality. Cheaper metals, thinner panels, weaker safety. But Tesla turned that logic upside down. The Model 2's front and rear structures are each formed from single-piece gigacasts, made possible by the world's largest casting machine, the new 50,000-ton Giga press. To put it simply, this is industrial art. Each press can produce massive aluminum sections in one go, eliminating over 400 individual parts and drastically simplifying the build. And here's the genius. Those two cast sections are joined together by the structural battery pack, forming a single, continuous spine. A design that's not only lighter, but 30% more rigid than traditional unibody frames. This combination means the Model 2 could be 30% lighter, safer, and cheaper to produce than any rival compact EV on Earth. It's not just engineering, it's evolution. The living battery. Here's where Tesla crosses the line between car and organism. The Model 2 doesn't just use a battery, it is the battery. This concept, known as the structural energy spine, turns the underbody into an active energy source. The cells are no longer contained within modules. Instead, they become the structure itself. Everything connects to it. The seats, the frame, even the suspension points. And according to leaked lab reports, this time it won't be powered by traditional lithium. Tesla is experimenting with aluminum-ion batteries, co-developed with researchers from Graphene Manufacturing Group. If real, these cells could charge 60 times faster, cost 50% less, and last 3x longer than lithium-ion cells. Even conservative projections point to a 500-mile range from a car that costs less than $15,000. Think about that. It's not a battery. It's an intelligent energy system, a living, breathing power source that strengthens the car while propelling it forward. This is how Tesla merges biology with technology, where structure and energy are one. The brain of the machine. But what truly makes the Model 2 unstoppable isn't just its body, it's its brain. Enter Tesla's full self-driving Level 4, powered by the in-house Dojo supercomputer. This AI learns from billions of miles of driving data, shared across every Tesla on the planet. It's not just code. It's evolution through experience. The result? Even the most affordable Tesla learns faster than the most expensive luxury car. With Tesla OS 2.0, Starlink internet, and real-time updates, the Model 2 becomes a rolling ecosystem, a platform that grows, adapts, and improves every single day. This is the future Musk envisions, where your car isn't just a vehicle. It's a self-learning entity, evolving with you. And for competitors, that's a nightmare. Because Tesla isn't selling cars anymore, it's selling intelligence. Finally, so what do these leaks really mean? They mean Tesla is no longer competing within the auto industry. It's redefining what the industry even is. The Model 2 isn't just a cheaper EV. It's the blueprint for a new civilization of machines, a world where factories evolve, cars self-improve, and technology becomes indistinguishable from art. Elon Musk isn't chasing profit. He's building permanence, a legacy of innovation that makes the impossible inevitable. And maybe years from now, we'll look back and realize the real revolution didn't happen on the road. It happened inside the factory that built the road itself. You've been watching Road Zone Reviews, where we uncover the truth behind the machines shaping our future. If you found this story as fascinating as we did, hit that like button Share it with every Tesla fan you know and subscribe, because what's coming next might just rewrite the future of transportation.